Hi Jammers, so today I'm going to show you the difference between a glitched Yeti face and non-glitched, or not glitched or whatever. So this is the glitched Yeti face, and I'm going to go by the ones that aren't really quickly. Okay, so here we have our Yeti face, and here's the glitched. So if you can notice, this one's a little bit lighter than the other one. And when I put this one on, see how much lighter it is? So that's really just the difference. And I'd say you should keep the glitched one, because it might get a lot rarer in the future because it's glitched. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, or comment. Bye.